Hello students, in last lecture we have studied protective devices and today's lecture we are going to study earthing. Contents, definition, necessity of earthing, types of earthing. Definition: connecting the metal body of an electrical appliance, machinery or an electrical installation to earth through a low resistance wire is called earthing or ground. The term electrical earthing or grounding means connecting the equipments to the ground. Particularly, earth is considered as a zero potential, which brings the body of an electrical equipment to zero potential and thus will avoid shock to operator or a human. This is the diagram of earthing. This is current supply from the supply, and this is the electrical equipment. Assume that this is your fridge, washing machine and all. These all are connected to earth point here. This is earthing point. Why we need this earthing? Earthing is necessary for all domestic, commercial and industrial installations to safeguard the operator, tall buildings and machineries against the lightning, metal body of an electrical appliances, equipments and machinery. The earth points of all 3 pin sockets and the body of the energy meter are connected to earth through a thick GI wire. Suppose a live wire comes in contact with the body of an appliance which is directly connected to earth through the grounding wire. Hence the body voltage comes to zero. Therefore the operator does not get any shock if he comes in contact with the appliances. By earthing, we can protect the equipment as well as the person who is working on that equipment. Types of earthing. There are mainly 2 types of earthing, plate earthing and pipe earthing. I hope you have seen in your house the earthing, plate earthing. Plate earthing is the way of connecting a non-current carrying part of an electrical equipment to the ground. This is the diagram of plate earthing. This is the plate and the panel of wiring, copper strip, and it is filled with the alternate layers of salt, sand and charcoal. One layer is salt, one layer is charcoal and one layer is sand. Pipe earthing. Pipe earthing refers to usage of pipe as a primary conductor of dissipating fault current in the electrical system. And this is the middle one is copper strip, and here also it is filled with the charcoal, salt and sand. The earthing is very necessary in day-to-day life. Important questions asked from this lecture. Write the types of earthing and define earthing and necessity of earthing. Thank you.